The Mi Band fitness tracker is one of the most affordable ways to get a personal fitness tracker on your wrist. Last year, Mi Band 4 bought in a number of swanky upgrades over the older model, making it more stylish. The successor of the Mi Band 4 is expected to be debuted in a few months, and some notable upgrades are expected to be the part of it. A recent report about the Gizmo China suggests that the Mi Band 5, which is what Xiaomi is expected to call the new model, has just been certified in Taiwan, and it gives out a display size which is measured at about 1.2 inch. That is notable bigger than the display of the Mi Band 4. The report even mentioned that the Mi Band 5 will end up using a OLED panel. Reports also said that the Mi Band 5 will come with the NFC support. In Mi Band 4 it was in a global version, but now in a Mi Band 5 it for all. You will likely to be see support of Google Play in Mi Band 5 in the upcoming versions. The Mi Band 5 will come with a bigger battery as compared to Mi Band 4. Let's talk about the price of Mi Band 5. As the price is concerned, a person who is going to buy a watch will always see its price. So the Mi Band 5 will expected to be launched at the price of about 1,800 Indian rupees according to the reports and leaks, which is slightly cheaper than the Mi Band 4, which is listed at the price band of about 2,300 rupees. So for now, we have to wait for the official release date of Mi Band 5 from the Xiaomi officials, so we can conclude that when it could be launched in India, it is expected to be launched in India in the month of August or September. These all are from the leaks. So if you want to know more about Mi Band 5 and other technology related updates, so please subscribe the channel and press the bell notification on all, so you will never miss another update. So for now, goodbye guys.